Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Crystal Patrice. So today, as you can see by the title, we are doing some color contacts, and this video is sponsored by Just4Kira. I'm not sure if it's Kira or Kyra, but I'm going to say Kira throughout this video. If I butcher your name, I am so sorry. So this video is sponsored by her brand. She has a brand of color contacts. She has a wide range of different colors for if you want something that's natural, if you want something that's more for like cosplay, anything like that. There's definitely your girl you want to contact. So in the video, I will just plop in a video of me unboxing this product. And just for reference, this is her website here. So I was allowed to pick 4 different contacts. So I did choose a brown, I chose a gray, I chose a green, and I'm not sure what the 4th color was. I can't think offhand. But I did follow directions as far as she said to, once you take them out the packaging and put them in their clear container, to let them sit in some contact solution for about 6 to 8 hours. I left mine in for a couple days, y'all. But these are the contacts here. So it looks like I got like 2 browns, gray, and a green. So I'm super excited to jump into this video. I do want to add that her contacts last 12 months, so you definitely can get a year's wear out of these contacts. I also love the packaging as well. So these are definitely travel worthy, and I love the fact that they come with their this comes with a little tweezer to help pick up the contacts, and it also comes with a applicator as well. I'm gonna try to use the applicator. Usually when I use contacts, I just use my finger. I'm gonna try, y'all. I'm gonna try. I got these contacts in my actual contact prescription. So if you know your contact prescriptions, you can actually get the perfect ones for yourself. It gives you clarity, you can see better. But anyway, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. The names of the contacts will be in the description box below, but I will also add them to this video as well. So let's get into it. Yeah, I'd rather use my finger, y'all. All right, so I got one of the contacts in, you guys. So guys, these are the contacts. I have them both in now. I really love these because these are super natural. The contacts are really nice. They are super comfortable. I can see really good out of these contacts. I can just imagine, like, if I had my face beat, like, it would really bring out these contacts. I think I would really love them even more. So these are the brown contacts. I really like these. So y'all, let's get into the next pair. I'm gonna just show y'all how I remove them. It's so easy to remove them for me. Okay guys, so these are the Mora, and I hope I'm pronouncing right, the Mora green contacts. I think these are nice, like natural green contacts. I always, like, growing up, wanted to always have those like green eyes or hazel eyes. So now I got them, and I can take them in and out if I want to. Okay, let's go to the next ones. Excuse my watery eyes, but guys, these are the Neo contacts. These are probably like the most natural out of the bunch that I do have. It still gives that light color effect, but it again, it's more, this is probably the most natural. My camera overheated, so I'm on my cell phone right now, but yeah, these are Neo. I really like these. I can really see these being like some everyday contacts. So I saved my favorite for last, which are the crystal gray ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in. And okay guys, so these are the crystal gray contacts. Definitely my favorite out the bunch. Oh my god, like I'm looking in the mirror up here, but they just look so cute. Like I can really see myself with my face beat with these contacts, and it just gives me that whole like sexy vibe. Like it look a little scurry. It look a little scurry, y'all, but they look so nice. I'm sorry, my nose is running because I keep going in and out of my eyes. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, these are definitely my favorite. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I just want to do my makeup like right now, just so I can keep these contacts in. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, definitely hit the like button, definitely hit the subscribe button. If you're looking for some affordable contacts, again, this is the website, Just4Kira. Even if you don't wear contacts or don't have a contact prescription, you can get the contacts that doesn't have prescription, so she does give that option as well. Again, these contacts last up for 12 months, so you definitely get to enjoy a year's worth of wearing these contacts. Again, guys, thank you for tuning into this video. This is your girl Crystal Patrice, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.